Today we talk about HM8. What is HM8? It's the third and last item in the trilogy. HM5, HMX, HM8. This is the final explanation. This is the last iteration of a project which was so important for me because I wanted to be a car designer. I started with one, improved on it, and arrived finally where I wanted to be. The HM8 is called a Can-Am. Can-Am was Canadian-American Racing Championship. It was invented in 1966, and we launched this piece in 2016, 50 years later. So it's built like a car. You've got the engine, which is visible here. The oil sumps behind, where we actually lubricate the movement through the rubies you see here. The engine is protected by a slab of sapphire, and more importantly, by 2 titanium roll bars. The roll bars are machined out of a whole ingot of titanium. It takes dozens of hours with 3D mills in 5 axes to cut out this shape. And then it's hand polished to perfection. HM8 was probably one of the most complex designs I've ever done. We probably did 50 prototypes, every time changing a little bit something. Initially, the front, the sides were flat, so slowly we cambered them. The roll bars, initially, they were round and straight. They looked naff, just didn't look right. So then we tapered them, it was a little bit better. And then we flattened them, it was much better. To get to this profile, we did another 8 different profiles, every time getting it right to what looks good from this, from there, from everywhere. This is probably as complicated, if not more, than designing a car. When you design, there is no truth. There is no right or wrong. There is your gut feeling that it's actually right. It can take days, weeks, months, years before it starts resonating that is right. I will drive everybody completely bananas for years until I feel it's right. And what's right for me is maybe wrong for everybody else. But that's MB&F.